In this video, I will show you how to create a Reddit community. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are currently on Reddit. Now to create a community, if you come across to the Reddit homepage and you log into your account, what you're going to want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side and you're going to see the community section. In this section, you're going to see a option to create a community. So what you need to do is give this a click first of all. Now what that's going to do is bring up a window like this. First, what you need to do is go ahead and give your community a name. So I'm just going to call this one Tech Tutors Community, just like so. And basically this is also going to be the Reddit link. So it's going to be basically r// and then your community name. What you can then do is add a description. So I'm just going to put welcome to my community, just like so. Of course, you can elaborate on your description a bit more to let people know what your subreddit is about. Now, once you've done that, just come down and click next at the bottom. What you can do at this point is add a banner and icon to your community. So if you click the add button, you can upload a picture from your PC. And then what you can do is just go ahead and crop your picture, just like so. Once you're happy, click save. And you can also do this and add a banner if you want to. Now, once you've done that, just come down and click next at the bottom. And on the next screen, you want to add up to 3 topics to help interested Redditors find your community. So what you would do is select topics basically related to what your community is going to be about. So if you're doing a community on gaming, you can come down to the game section and select, for example, a couple of topics from here. We want to select at least 3 from this list. So what I'm going to do is come down to the technology section and select a couple from here, just like so. And once you've done that, you can come down and click next at the bottom. Now, what you can do is choose what kind of community this is. So you can choose whether to set this to public, restricted, or private. So of course, by setting it to public means anyone can view, post, and comment to this community. Restricted is that anyone can view, but only approved users can contribute. And private is, of course, only approved users can view and contribute. Now, you also want to select whether this is a mature community. So if you want users to be over 18 to view and contribute by turning the switch on. Once you've done that, make sure to read through the MOD code of conduct and acknowledge that you understand the Reddit content policy. I've already read through those, but make sure you do read through those and then come down and click the blue Create Community button. Now, as you can see, Reddit is currently creating the community, and after a minute or two, as you can see, our community is now created. So, of course, there's further things you can do once you've created your community. You can come up to the top and click onto this Mod Tools button, and it's going to take you, there's a quick tutorial on how to use this, but you can set up different things. And if there's anything you want to change at any point, you can come up and click this pencil icon here, and we can change, for example, the community details widget, things like that. But that's a quick overview on how to create a Reddit community. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.